This is the presentation. This is how to create presentation. This is how to create animated slide using Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to create an animation using PowerPoint. Go to your Microsoft PowerPoint, click on it and it will open, and this is, you select your blank presentation. This is my blank presentation. Once I select it, a text box will appear. Here you will write what you want to write. This is a cup. It's on the table. This is what I want to write. As I have written this thing, I will select the text like this, select it, come to animation. I'll click on animation. Once I click it, all these things will come outside. I will come here, add animation, entrance. This is the entrance. How I want this is a cup to appear. This, I will click on fly in. This is how I want it to appear. Then add animation again. Emphasis. If I want it to emphasize that this is what I want to talking about, I will select the one that I want. Emphasis. Maybe I do not like this. I will select the emphasis that I want. This is a cup. Then it is on the table. I will select it like this again. Come to add animation. Come here. Select the one that I want, how I want it to come up. Then add animation again. If there is any other one that I want, more effects, more entrance as animation, I will come here, click on the one that I want, on click. After how I want it to play after the previous, after the duration delay. Delay. Then play. This is a cup. As you can see, it is showing me my work, the preview of what I did. Left. As you can see, what it is on the table is doing. This is the presentation. This is how to create presentation. This is how to create animated slide using Microsoft